Is your kitchen hood filter looking like a science experiment gone wrong? That sticky yellow gunk is not just gross, it's a fire hazard. You've probably tried scrubbing it, soaking it, maybe even praying over it, but nothing works. Well, what if I told you there's a ridiculously simple way to get it sparkling clean without any of that back-breaking work? Stick around because you're about to witness a cleaning method that will change your kitchen routine forever. First, let's take a good hard look at this mess. This filter has seen it all. Bacon grease, stir-fry splatters, you name it. It's so caked on, you can barely see the metal underneath. The thought of touching it is enough to make you want to just buy a new one. But don't do that. You already have everything you need to make this filter look brand new, and it's probably sitting in your pantry right now. Forget those expensive, harsh chemical degreasers that smell like a science lab and require gloves and a gas mask. We're going all natural today with a powerhouse cleaning duo. Let's get this filter out. Most just have a little latch or clip. Gently pull it down and slide the filter out. Be careful, it can be drippy. Look at that, it's even worse up close. Now, take your greasy filter over to the sink. Make sure your sink is empty and clean enough to handle this greasy situation. Just place the filter flat on the bottom. If you have two filters, you can do them one at a time or both if they fit. Here comes the best part. Grab your trusty box of baking soda. You don't need to be precise with measurements here. Just generously sprinkle a good, even layer all over the surface of the filter. Make sure you cover all that yellow grime. Baking soda is a fantastic, gentle abrasive and a natural deodorizer, but its real power here is how it reacts with the grease. Next up, grab your everyday dish soap. Any brand will do, but the ones known for cutting grease are your best bet. Drizzle the dish soap over the baking soda. Again, no need for exact science. Just a good zigzag pattern across the whole filter is perfect. The dish soap is a surfactant, which means it's designed to break down and lift grease and oil away from surfaces. When combined with baking soda, it creates an unstoppable degreasing team. Now for the final and most satisfying step. Boil some water. You want it steaming hot as you can get it. Carefully, and I mean carefully, pour the boiling water over the filter in the sink. Pour it slowly and evenly, making sure to submerge the entire filter. The moment that hot water hits the baking soda and dish soap, you will see the process happen. Instantly, the years of caked-on grease just start to melt away. It's incredible. The water will turn a murky yellow-brown right before your eyes as the gunk dissolves and lifts off the metal mesh. Look at that. No scrubbing, no scraping. The hot water activates the baking soda and soap, creating a powerful chemical reaction that does all the hard work for you. You can literally see the grease just peeling off in sheets. It's so satisfying to watch. Let it sit and soak in that hot, soapy bath for about 10 to 15 minutes. This gives the solution time to work its way into every little nook and cranny of the mesh, dissolving even the most stubborn, baked-on deposits. After it has soaked for a bit, the water will look pretty disgusting, which is a great sign. It means all that grease is in the water and not on your filter. You might see a few stubborn spots left. For those, just take a soft brush, like an old toothbrush, and give them a gentle scrub. You'll be amazed at how easily they come off. There's no need for any aggressive force at all. The gunk is so loose it will wipe away with minimal effort. Now, carefully drain the dirty water. Be mindful as it might still be hot. Give the filter a thorough rinse under hot running water from your tap. Make sure to rinse from both sides to flush out any remaining residue and soap. And just look at the result. It's like a brand new filter. The metal is shiny and clean, all the little holes in the mesh are clear, and there's not a trace of that sticky yellow residue left. It's absolutely gleaming. Let it air dry completely before you pop it back into the hood. You can stand it up in your dish rack or lay it on a towel. Putting it back wet can encourage mold or mildew. Once it's dry, just slide it back into place and clip it in. Your range hood will now work so much more efficiently, pulling smoke and odors out of your kitchen like it's supposed to. Plus, your kitchen will be safer and smell fresher. So, there you have it. The easiest, cheapest, and most satisfying way to clean your greasy range hood filter. No harsh chemicals, no endless scrubbing. Just baking soda, dish soap, and hot water. Try this out and let me know in the comments how it worked for you. I promise you'll be amazed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and effective cleaning hacks. See you next time.